Hi guys, this is Kavita Vijay Balan from eContent Marketer. In this week's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 email marketing tactics to increase your email open rates and email click-through rates. Don't go anywhere. We all have the psychological need for closure, so create a gap in information in your subject line and leave your customers hanging, so they'll want to click and find out to see what you were talking about. For example, use these sparingly and only when you really need to. You guys love emojis? Well, who doesn't, right? Use emojis when you're drafting subject lines. It can improve your email open rates by about 45%. Add your customers' names to your subject lines. This increases your open rates by 10 to 14%. And hey, are you having one of those off days and you're not feeling very creative? Well then, just go ahead and tell your customers what exactly is inside your newsletters. Give them a very clear picture of what they can expect when they open the email. This will help your readers develop trust in you and understand that you're not tricking them simply to get them to open your emails. Make sure you're tailoring your email marketing campaigns based on each individual segment of your audience, because you want to only send interested people your email so that they find them relevant and useful. Do not send email newsletters in bulk to your entire list, or you're going to end up in the spam filter. You can segment by demographics such as age, gender, and income, or by location or purchase history. Let's get into the call to action. Give people one clear call to action, or CTA, that you would like for them to take. If you really must have more than one CTA, then I would personally advise you to display the importance of the CTA through its size. Usually the CTA appears as buttons, so what I would say is the CTA that you find more important in your newsletter can appear as a bigger button compared to the CTA that are lower in priority levels. People will then tend to click on the larger buttons, and they will also get a sense of what your main message is. And this is really important when you're putting out newsletters. People need to understand the purpose of the newsletter, and this will help serve its purpose. Here's a trick to not end up as spam. Send your users a text-based email, because without images, Google might think that this is a personalized email, and your chances of ending up being marked as spam are far less. Refrain from using we, our, and I in your email newsletters. Instead of saying, "We're hosting a content writing webinar tomorrow," you should say, 100 content writers like you are joining this content marketing webinar tomorrow. Make sure that the content in your newsletter is unique and can't be found anywhere else. Try to send your newsletters on Tuesdays and Thursdays and avoid Mondays and Fridays, unless you're in the entertainment industry, in which case Fridays work. Come up with ways to reward your subscribers with reward points, discounts. Make them exclusive just for your subscribers. Well, that's a wrap for this week's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, see you and take care.